Hello guys, let us take a look at this question. It says that two small identical spheres having plus q and minus q charge are kept at a certain distance. Okay, so let's mark also in the figure. Okay, this figure is quite self-explanatory, but okay, let's quickly mark also. Okay, so we have these two spheres. This is plus q, okay, and this is minus q. Now what they're saying is that they are kept at a certain distance. Now F force acts between the two. So between these two, force F is acting. Now, if in the middle of the two spheres, another similar sphere having plus q charge is kept, okay, plus q. So this sphere, plus q charge is kept. Then it will experience a force in magnitude and direction. So we have to tell what is going to be the magnitude and direction of the force that is acting on this sphere here. Okay, so let us quickly mark. Okay, what are the forces? So first of all, what is going to be the force, okay, on so let's mark these spheres as ABC, right? So A and B are the spheres that are given to us, okay, that is having plus q and the minus q charge, okay. And then this sphere, okay, was introduced, okay, and it was placed at the center, okay, it was placed in the middle of the two, and and then it is having charge plus q. Okay, this is all that is given in the question. We have to find out what is the net force. So this is plus q, this is also plus q. Okay, so let's say this is C, okay, sphere C. So this charge is plus q on A, and charge on C is also plus q. So what is going to happen? The force on C due to A will be in which direction? It will be in this direction. Okay, why? Because it will be a repelling force. Okay, A will try to push C, okay, away from it, because it is a like charges, right? So force on A, force on C due to A is in this direction. Now take a look at this charge on B. So B is minus q, so minus q, and this is plus q. So what is going to happen? Attractive force is going to be there between C and B. So B is going to attract C towards itself. So force on C due to B is going to be in this direction, right? Because it is an attractive force. B is trying to attract C and A is trying to repel C away from it, right? So the net force on C is what? F net. So F net is going to be FCA plus FCB, okay? So it's going to be FCA plus FCB. And what is it? Okay, let's write down. So this is K plus Q into plus Q, and say, let's say the distance, okay, is D between A and B, and this distance becomes D by 2. And similarly, the distance between C and B will also be D by 2. So this will be nothing but D by 2 whole square, right? And similarly, FCB will be what? K into Q into minus Q, right? K into Q into minus Q, D by 2 whole square, right? But if you understand, okay, we have already included the what do you say, we have already included the negative sign in the direction, right? Because we said it is going to be an attractive force. So this minus you have to remember, okay, when you're writing the magnitude, minus is not going to come, okay. Otherwise, if you're taking minus in the magnitude also, and while marking the forces also you have taken negative, then your answer will be all wrong, okay. So you have to understand, if you're taking the sign here, let me just erase it, yeah. So what is happening? We are just writing the magnitude of the forces, okay, because plus q, okay, that we use to decide the direction of the force. So now we are only writing the magnitude. Magnitude doesn't depend on plus and minus, okay, that is just what is the value. Value is what? Q plus q, okay. Now value is just q, right? So it is going to be kqqq upon d by 2 square and kqqq upon d by 2 whole square. So now I think it's pretty self-explanatory, right? So just don't make this mistake that you are, while marking the forces, you have taken okay, this negative, okay. So don't include it, okay, while you are writing the net force then. So this is going to be nothing but k q square and d square, and this 2 square will go up, so it will be 4, and so you will get 4 kq square d square, and here also you will get 4 kq square d square. So the net force will be nothing but 8, okay, 8 kq square d square, right? So this is our answer for this question, and it is going to be towards, and the net force is in this direction, right? So let's see which answer matches. So it is 8F towards the charge minus Q, right? So our correct answer will be B, right? Okay, thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to the video.